Good morning, friends, and welcome to Math for Friday. Today we are going to talk about two new signs that we're going to add into our math number sentences. Our vocabulary words are add to, add or addition, count, in all together, count on, equal, and put together. The first sign that we're going to introduce is called Gus the Plus. And Gus the Plus is a generous young man giving others whatever he can. He'll show you how many ways that you can have in all. When he comes around, your sum will grow tall. He adds numbers together so that you have more. With help from Gus the Plus, you'll be adding is never a chore. Okay, so we're going to watch a quick video on Gus the Plus and our plus sign.
Hey, Coach Mike.
Hey there, Ole. How you doing?
I'm good, Coach Mike. How are you?
Good. I'm not too bad, thanks.
I have a question for you, Coach Mike.
Yeah.
What in the world is this thing up here?
Oh, well, that is the plus sign.
The plus sign?
Yeah. The plus sign is used to join groups together.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, how does that work, Coach Mike?
Well, let's say we have a group of apples. 2 apples. 1, 2.
I like apples, Coach Mike.
I love apples too. And then we have the plus sign.
Oh,
And then we have over there we have another group of apples. 1, 2. Well, now we join the apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples. Therefore, 2 plus 2 is 4.
oh, I get it, Coach Mike.
Yeah.
Let me try one.
All right. Give it a shot.
Okay. Let's say we have 3 birds.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Now, plus sign
There it is. Yeah.
and another group of 2 birds.
Okay. 1, 2.
All
Good.
right. Now, let's join the groups together.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. Hey.
That was excellent, Ole. Great job.
All right, so if we look at this, we can see that we are working with addition, which is why we're using the plus sign. And the plus sign means both, more, combined, add, in all, plus, total, or all together. If you look down here, we had 2 blue stars with our plus sign, plus 3 pink stars equals 5. So our number sentence reads 2 plus 3 equals 5. Just like we've been doing, except we're adding our plus symbol. Go ahead and let me see you practice writing the plus symbol. So we have 1 red plus 2 yellow equals 3. The next sign that we are going to introduce is Ellie the equal sign. Ellie the equal is always to blame for making both sides of an equation the same. We know that equal means they are the same. She loves to play fair and balance both sides. For this role, she's important as always of sides. She is not always the last sign you'll see. She can show math then what the answer will be. So when we use Ellie the equal, we're going to see her sometimes in the beginning of a number story, a number sentence, or at the end.
Hey, Coach Mike.
Hey, Ole. How you doing?
Oh, I'm pretty good, Coach Mike.
Good. Good.
How about yourself?
Not too bad, thanks.
I have a question for you, Coach Mike.
Yeah.
Well, look at this thing.
Yeah.
I know that 3 plus 2 is 5.
That's correct.
But what is this thing right here, Coach Mike?
Oh, well, that is the equal sign.
The equal sign?
Yeah. You know, you just is 5.
Mm-hmm.
But you could also say 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Oh. So when I say is, it's also like saying equals.
Correct.
Let me try one, Coach Mike.
Yeah, absolutely. Good.
Hey, Coach Mike?
Yeah.
Does it also work for minus?
It does. It does.
Okay, let's try this.
All right.
How about 3 minus 2 is 1?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
3 minus 2 equals 1. Yeah?
That was outstanding, Oli.
All right. So when we look at the equal signs, it tells that both sides are the same. So we are working with addition. So we have 1 red plus 2 yellows equals 3. So let me go ahead and see you skywrite your equal signs. Great. So we're going to be working with the plus and equal signs. So when we see a number sentence, we have a number, which can be called an add-in, plus another number, which is an add-in, with our equals and our sum. So let's look at our first example. We have 2 bears plus 1 purple bear equals blank. So we have to put our numbers in the correct spaces. 1, 2. So I'm going to take my 2 and move it up. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Because we have 3 bears total. Our next one, blank plus blank equals blank. So we need to count our bears. 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3 green. Now we have to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, Miss Gann's going to go ahead and show you your independent work. You're going to find the sum. So you are going to look at the different pictures represented, and then you're going to have to move the numbers up. Let's do the first one together. 1 beach ball plus 3 beach balls equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So my number sentence reads 1 plus 3 equals 4. All right, guys, so you're going to do that for slides 1 through 5. Remember, there is no live instruction for social studies today. Miss Gann wants you to work on any work that you're missing. I will see you on Monday, and remember, Monday is pajama day, so you can wear your pajamas on Monday. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Miss Gann will see you bright and early on Monday.